Hello Year 1, welcome to day 2, Tuesday of our maths learning. So we're going to start with a little recap, very quick job to count on, forwards or backwards from a number. So I'm going to give you a number, you need to find it really super quick, and then we're going to count forwards or backwards. So starting with, first of all, 31. So we've got 31 in our ones column, 30s row. Find it, we're going to count forwards. Ready, steady, go. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Stop. Okay, we're staying on 35. We're now going to count backwards. Ready, steady, go. 35, 34, 33, 32, 31, 30. Stop. Well done. We're going to find number 15 this time. So in the teens row and the fives column, 15. Okay, find that number and we're going to count forwards first of all. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, stop. Okay, see if you can do this, if you want to, as a bit of a challenge, without using your 100 square. Oops, just dropped my board, sorry. Without using your 100 square, maybe you know how to count on or back, so you can do some movements this time. So this time we're going to march on the spot, starting with 44. Find 44 if you're using your 100 square, or if not, we're going to count forwards from 44, marching on the spot until I say stop, or show you my hands to say stop. So 44, counting on. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, stop. Well done. Okay, this time we're going to count backwards from 30. Find 30s in the tens column. This time we're going to bend our knees as we count backwards from 30. Ready, steady, go. 30, 29, 28, 27, 26, 25. Stop. Well done. Last one, we're going to start from 100 and we're going to count backwards by jumping. Okay, start from 100. So, standing up nice and tall and jumping. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94. Stop. Brilliant counting back and forwards. You really are becoming experts at that. That's brilliant. Well done. Okay, so today what we're learning to do is to count objects. We're going to write the numeral, which is the number digits, and the word for that. You should have a resource that gives you some spellings for those numbers. So you can use that today if you would like to. Okay, we're going to stop here. Pause the video if you need to and count how many green stars there are and write it down on your whiteboard or on your piece of paper. Then count the red triangles. Count those, write the numeral, the digits, and write the word. Or have a go at sounding out the word if it's a bit tricky. Right, press pause now, write that down. Okay, have you got some numbers written on there? Fantastic. Okay, so we are counting the green stars first of all. So sometimes it's easy just to put a dot in them or cross them as you go, just to make sure you don't count the same one twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Who found the answer was 18? Give me a thumbs up. Well done. Okay, who wrote their number 18 like this? So it's got a 1, 10, it's a teen number, angry teens, and an 8. Who wrote their number as a 1 and an 8? 18. Well done. And we now need to write the number. Now I chose this one because it's an icky, tricky one, so well done if you had a go at sounding it out. But 18, we have to learn how to write and read our words in numerals and in words. And it's spelled like this. So well done if you managed to spell it correctly or you use that resource to help you today, because that's one of the trickiest numbers to write. So well done if you have managed to do that. Give me a double thumbs up if you found both of those answers. Don't worry about spelling too much. Just try your best. Okay, now we've got the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 21, 22, 23, 24. Who found the answer was 24? Give yourself a marshmallow clap. Well done, the answer is 24. Written in numerals like this. Who managed to write it in numerals? Add 2 and a 4. Give yourself another marshmallow clap. Brilliant. And we write 20 to and it's that E sound that ends with a Y. So if it's at the end of a word, it usually is a Y. 24. Oh. Okay, who managed to spell that correctly? Give yourself a super duper clap if you spelled that correctly. Well done if you tried your very best. That's all we're asking. Okay, so reasoning now. Jasmine is writing 52. She writes 502. Is she right? Why? Can you write it on your board? Okay, by the magic of your writing, as you write it on your board, 52, it's going to magically appear through your screen into my finger and onto the board. Okay, 52. Well done. Now, deans, do you remember our deans? So, oh, hold on a moment. Our deans are... Sorry, I forgot to collect them from the box. So our deans are the rods of 10. 1 means 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So our dean rods make 10. So this will show 5 of these and 2 cubes. So can you make 52? Can you draw it? Please pause now and see if you can draw that amount in dean. So your 10s rods, your 10 sticks and your 2 cubes. How many 10s, how many 1s? Okay, so you should have drawn, don't worry too much about your drawing, it's not a drawing competition. You should have drawn 1, 2, bet your drawings are better than mine, 3, 4, 5, 10s and 2 cubes like this. Brilliant if you managed to do that. Some of you may be doing some dean's work later today. Okay, last job. Can you match the word with the number symbol representation? So can you match these words for numbers with their numeral, their symbol? Just pause the video if you need to. You can write them down or just draw your lines where you think they need to be. Or draw lines on the screen. Okay, let's read this all together. This one says 23. So 23, where is 23? Well done, it's all the way down here. Let's match them. Who found that was the right answer? Stretch your arm and give yourself a pat on the back. Next one. 34. 34. Ooh, there's no 34 there. So we couldn't match that one. I tried to see if I could trick you. Who managed to match that to something? We haven't got a 34 there, have we? That was tricky. Who can write the number 34 and we'll add it? Okay, so 34. Maybe some of you already did that. And we will add that. Well done. This is part of our problem solving. When there's a problem, what did you do? So you could either just not match it or you could write your own number there. Then we've got 57. Where is 57? At the top. We have 61. Where is 61? Which one is it? We have to make sure we always get our digits the right way around. So 61, it's a 60 number, so the 6 goes first, 61. And you could have had a go at writing this number. You might want to pause now and write this number if you would like to, which is 16. So he or she has got a pair, a partner. Okay, last job. What activities are we doing today? So, if you find it a bit tricky to count big amounts, use that method of putting a dot or crossing them as you go. It sometimes helps you. So you can have a go at writing, counting an amount to 20, so it'll look a little bit like this, counting the amount and writing just the numeral today. Maybe you could try and find the word for it on your word sheet that was sent out to you on Monday. And activity 2 is the same, but with bigger numbers, 240, to count bigger amounts. So put those little lines as you count and write it in numerals and have a go at writing it in words. Use that sheet to help you to spell accurately. It's not a spelling lesson, but we do need to know in maths how to read and write all of our numbers. And finally, last activity. That has escaped me. Where has it gone? Oh, it's hiding under my board. Last activity is a kind of domino activity. It's a loop card activity. So what you do, you're going to start by writing. So your challenging activity is to write each of these numbers in words underneath first. Choose how many you want to do. There are a few pages. Then you are matching, like dominoes, the Dean amount here to the number and the word that you've written. So then it will show another amount, then you have to match it like dominoes to the Dean amount and the word that you've written. You can keep doing that. You could, if you manage to do all of that really quickly, you could even add your own and make your own cards to add to keep that loop and those dominoes going. Enjoy, have fun, take some pictures, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.